is a workshop where the kids are working on their portfolio. They're learning how to draw in a much more sophisticated manner. They also are able to bring home with them at least 5 drawings that are usually light years of difference between the work that they brought here. And because of it, because of working for 2 weeks straight, the growth happens so exponentially compared to just working little project to little project.
We tend to bring a pretty good positive energy to the class and try to create a sense of community, keep them on their toes, and make them work hard but have fun along the way is really what it's all about. Right now they're working on these large self-portraits. We started these at the end of the first week last Friday. Before that we were doing still lifes and exquisite corpse drawings. So we hope to get them to help them build something of a skill set within this 2-week period that they can then take and work on further when they leave.
Before this, I was like, oh, I don't know what to do. I'm like terrified of like actually putting a portfolio together and sending it off somewhere. But having college professors like teaching us stuff is really helpful, and it just sets you up for the whole college experience.
The best experience that I have is working with everybody around me, the support from everybody, but also the criticism. It gets me and pushes me to be the best I can be, instead of just, oh, that's okay, like, you pass. It's like you can always push yourself to go further, and everybody else agrees.
People that I work with at school have been suggesting that I go to this to build my portfolio because I've just wanted to go into art for so many years. So being able to actually work in the environment that I want to be in for 4 years or however long I'm in college is just such a wonderful experience to have.